Hi everyone, I'm super excited to show you our newest square style, the one that has the velvet band sewn into the front. All you're going to do when you receive it is literally just open it up and you'll see that it's already folded, velvet's already there, it's really thin so it's not bulky when you put it on. You're gonna have about, say, 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch of the fabric overlap over the velvet, so when you put it on, the velvet's not peeking out. We're gonna put it on, bring it forward, and what I like to do is I'll bring this middle triangle portion up so it's not in my way when I'm tying my tails, and then I just take these two to the back and I make a knot. Then I'll bring these forward, make sure they're like even-ish, then take this to the back, make sure that everything is nice and smooth, nothing is like crinkly up here, and then take this portion, take the end of it, and then just tuck it into this knot. Then depending on how voluminous you want the back to be, you could, if you want more volume, you'll pull it out so you have more volume. If you want it more fitted, you will tuck it in more so it'll be more fitted like this. You can leave your tails down. I love this look for every day. If you don't like tails up, you can wrap it around your bun a bunch of times and tuck it in. This square is a Turkish cotton, but for some reason it feels even more lightweight than our regular Turkish cotton, which is crazy because our regular Turkish cotton is already super lightweight. But I just wanted to show you how to put this on, little tips and tricks before you receive yours. The colors are beautiful. I believe this one that I'm wearing is Senna. It's a beautiful neutral tone. They're all beautiful neutral tones, as you saw, but I hope that you will love it and that it will make your life a lot easier.